Hello friends, today in this video I am sharing my experience on how to open an international bank account before moving to Canada. So I opened my account with Scotiabank and I am showing you now the process of how to open the same. So go to Google and type Scotiabank International Account and here is the link. Open a Scotiabank International account online before you arrive. Click on this and it will take you to the website of Scotiabank where you can open the international bank account. The best part of opening account with Scotia is you can transfer up to 50,000 CADs before you move to Canada. So let's click on check your eligibility and apply. So here it is asking us what country are you moving from. I moved from India, so I'm typing here as India and now press apply now. So here is the application page for opening the international bank account with Scotiabank. Here are few eligibility criteria for opening this account. First is you must be coming to Canada as a permanent resident or as an international student or as a foreign worker. And the age must be minimum 13 years and you are coming to Canada within 18 months from the date of this application, and especially you are not coming to Canada on a tourist visa or a visitor visa, and you cannot open this account on behalf of someone else. And few information that they require is your passport details, your date of arrival in Canada, and your Canadian visa / landing document number. This landing document number you will find on your COPR document. So I will show you how to process further. So what will you use this account for? So I selected as daily banking, and as per your need you can select depending on your requirement. So I'm selecting it as daily banking and let's press next. So now on this page we have to fill all the information. I am putting all the dummy data. The first name, just type ABC, surname DEF, date of birth 1 April 1985, abc@abc.com, retype your email address abc@abc.com. Okay, so consent, yes, I want to receive e-messages from Scotiabank. It is easy for us to see if the notifications that they are sending. Let's write ABC. Provide the address. Try to provide the address that is mentioned in your passport. Country of residence India, contact number, dummy contact number, household language common speak is Hindi. So here is the passport number. Again I am giving the dummy number. Country of issue India, passport expiry dummy, expected date of arrival in Canada. So I'm putting it as on March 2021, and which province you are going to land. So I'm putting it as Ontario, and you are coming to Canada as a permanent resident or international student or a foreign worker. I'm selecting it as a permanent resident and press next. So here they will ask you about the Canadian visa or the landing document number. This landing document number will be available on the top right of your COPR document number. So let me enter a dummy document number. It will be available as a document number on the COPR. Okay, and in this occupation I am providing it as service my document expiration date. Document expiration date means either the visa expiration date or the lending document number expiration date. So here we provided the document number, so I am providing the document expiration date, that is a COPA document expiration date. So let me provide it as 5 May 2021 and then press next. So here it is asking us to review the application. Carefully review the application on what the details you have provided and check the correctness and press next. And here is all the terms and conditions, so read this carefully and acknowledge and provide the consent, and also provide the preferred language of the correspondence. I'm selecting it as English, and then press submit. I'm not submitting this application because I don't want to create a dummy application into their system. So this is a very simple process. Before opening, if you have any doubt, just check with the Scotiabank authorities, or also you can check with the other banks, those who are providing this service, before you arrive to Canada. So this is very simple and easiest way of carrying your money to Canada. Once you will arrive in Canada, just book an appointment with the Scotiabank over phone, and they will and visit their nearest branch after taking the appointment, and they will open your account, and then they will transfer the money that you transferred from India into your account that you will open with Scotiabank. So hope this video will help you, and if you have any queries, please cross check with the Scotiabank authorities or the any other bank you are opening account with, so that you will not lose your money. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.